Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're back. Za Nyimbo podcast, and today I'm chilling with someone you've never seen before on these cameras, but they're here now, all the way from. Let me not talk about a lot of things about them. You just have to get to know them yourself. So welcome to the show, bro.
Zikomo.
So you speak a little bit of some Chichewa.
Yeah, I'm trying,
Yeah.
Chichewa is a very, very nice language, and where I come from, Israel, we speak Hebrew.
Mm-hmm. How do you say how are you in Hebrew?
How are you? You could say manishma.
Manishma.
Yeah, or we say shalom.
Shalom, yes, straight.
Yeah, shalom is like peace, and hello.
Yeah.
So yeah, but there are some similarities. For example, when we say maim.
That's madzi.
Madzi in the moyo.
Yeah.
So we bless the water. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam שהכל נהיה בדברו. And we say tatokoza mulungu for the madzi. Yeah.
Shout out. How long have you been in Malawi? It seems like you know a little bit of like some Chichewa phrases, just to get by.
Yes. So yeah, actually my wife is Malawian, but she lives in Israel. And me, I came here like 4 years ago to start Ayamba business, and actually to see in this beautiful country, the warm heart of Africa. And so in case you don't know, my name is Shoham.
Yes.
I started like doing music long time ago, and I stopped, and now after touching down Malawi and seeing the vibe, and it brought me back to it. Like I saw so many talents here.
Yeah. So you come from a family of musicians, or what? What is it?
I mean, my mother, rest her soul, she used to play violin when she was a baby.
Yeah.
Not baby, but young.
Yeah.
And she always had an absolute ear. So besides, no professional musicians in my family, but when I was growing up, I wanted to play the guitar very much.
Yeah.
And then when I got a guitar, she was helping me to learn a song only by hearing.
By ear, yeah.
Yeah. And a bit of years go by, I got into reggae music, reggae dancehall.
Yeah.
When I was very like a little youth,
Yeah.
So I used to have my own band. Name was Panda Quet.
That's the name of the band.
But I was like teenage, and we maybe still have songs out there. Then I was releasing some song under the name Vigiman, because my family name is Vigiser. But all of this is Kale. Now, Pompano, it's time for I will release the new songs under the name Shoham.
Shoham.
Yeah, my real name, because it's me.
So why reggae and dancehall music?
Why reggae and dancehall?
Yeah.
Good question. This is, I think it's the like Bounty say, roots, reality, and culture. It's like, it's everything. It's a simple music, yet it's the deepest music for me. And that's the reggae is like with the heartbeat, like the tima.
Yeah.
And the dancehall is more like for elevating yourself, to having fun, to also to speak the reality of the struggle and everything.
Yeah, true.
And I just got into it very young. Before that, I was more into rock music, but I was also DJing with my friend. He got stabbed. He died when he was 16. But before that, we were doing DJing like very young, like elementary school age. We used to do DJ with like a camera mixer and two how do you call it? Discmen.
Yeah.
Two Discmen connected to a camera mixer, and we used to DJ for school parties and stuff.
That's crazy. That's like way back, bro.
Kare.
All right. So now you're here in Malawi, and I would like to know who are the like first people that you've actually met on the set, people that you're working with right now,
Okay.
so that maybe Malawians can understand that now you're here in the country. Who's the first artist that you've sat down and worked with?
Okay, so the first artist I worked with is actually my brother Desert Igwe.
Shout out to
Shout out.
Shout out to Desert Igwe.
The first one we set in the studio and started making music. And we are going to release a couple of songs.
Yeah.
But even when I came just as like a visitor, or when I started moving here more often, I was just I was enjoying the live performances here in Malawi. I was spontaneously I went to catch a mic at back then in the jazz. It was with Prince, you know, with the Diminish band.
Yeah.
And
Was that at the jazz
at the
night?
jazz nights? Yeah. I was like, just give me the mic. I was doing covers for Tay Green. Shout out like the
Which one?
Somone.
You know that song?
I know the song. I was also doing Zeze. Shout out.
Which one?
Kusangalala.
Really?
Yes. I was just catching
The whole song?
The old songs. The old songs. My Chichewa is not that fluent, but I was listening to those music.
Yeah.
You know, I love Malawi music from late Lucius to nowadays youths that come in. Bossy.
Yeah.
And,
All right, shout out, bro. So, what should we expect? Like, you know, I think I'm not surprised that you're into like reggae dancehall, because I feel like most people coming from your country, it's a culture, it's a big culture in your country.
It is.
But I would like to also understand, like, who are the big influencers of like reggae and dancehall in Egypt?
In Israel.
Israel, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you know Alpha Blondy.
Yes.
Jerusalem.
Yes.
Was written in Jerusalem. Alpha Blondy used to live in Israel.
Really?
Yeah.
He lived there for a bit?
He lived there for a few years, some years. Yeah.
Wow,
and then he recorded Jerusalem.
Yeah.
When he said, Israel Ayakirati, or Ani Ohev Otach, it means, my dear Israel, I love you. He was really part of us, like part of Israel. So, I mean, I couldn't say it's the biggest influence, but he is an influence, especially how he combined the guitar and everything. I'm also a guitar, like with his band back then.
Yeah, I know Matisyahu is also like, I used to listen to that guy. Like, I had all of these albums.
Wow.
So that's why I'm saying I'm not surprised, because even the people that he was featuring, the more like reggae dancehall artists, prominent, you know, and it got me like an interest to search more about the music that's coming from Israel. So that's why I was asking, who are the like biggest influences? Okay. Like from Jamaica, who are the big artists?
Okay, you could say it's Buju.
Yeah.
You could say all the early dancehall artists and the 90s, 2000 dancehall artists. If it's Cartel, Y21. If we go to the roots, I was also influenced by all the reggae roots band. Even outside of Jamaica, I liked the French reggae, the UK reggae.
Yeah, French and UK reggae is also interesting.
And
the Gentleman is from where, UK?
No, Gentleman is from Germany, actually. Yeah. But he was a big influence growing up. And if you talk about European or Muzungu reggae, there's Alborosi.
Yes, Alborosi, yeah.
Very big.
Yeah.
Also influenced me growing up. We have an artist named Silverdon. He was bossing in Jamaica back in the 90s.
I don't know that one. I don't know.
Yeah, it's very deep knowledge but people in Jamaica back then, they remember him. And wow, what else? You know, I nowadays I also like Afrobeats, but my roots and the music I make is more of a reggae dancer.
Yeah. You're watching ZaNyimboTV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also, if you want to partner and promote your stuff, you can get in touch. The numbers are in the description of the video. But also, if you're watching this from Facebook, the numbers and the links will be down in the comment section. Keep it locked. So coming to Malawi, like, what do you think? How is your perspective when it comes to like the culture of like dancehall, reggae? Where do you think we stand? Like, yes, because you're coming from a place where the culture is big, and now you're here in Malawi. What does that look like? How is that transition like for you?
Okay, so basically I think Malawi is full of talent and full of potential, and you can see how it's progressing each and every day. I think Malawi, although yeah, we had some big concerts in Israel, big artists coming, some local artists who making reggae, but in Malawi, reggae music is more like of a common ground for everyone. Like you could see that when I come here and I meet a random person, we realize that we grew up on the same music. So I feel like in that aspect more related to Malawi than to my country, because in my country we have scenes of everything, of electronic, of rock, of reggae, of this, that, chanchani, but in here the reggae is influencing even the local music.
True.
Even, yeah, so I think there's a lot of potential and and a lot is going on. And yeah, I met some very good artists that doing dancehall, reggae. Some collaboration been done here, I think.
Do you want to mention some of these artists that you're...
Yeah, like Pro Voice.
Pro Voice is
Pro
dope.
Voice is good. Malinga doing good dancehall. I've seen his song with Jamil.
Yeah.
Which is was very refreshing for me.
Yeah.
Of course, there's so many artists.
Yeah. So apart from like Igwe, Pro Voice, Malinga, who else is out there for you? Like you're seeing their stuff and you're like, yeah, that's dope.
Okay, you cannot. It's not necessarily reggae, but I like all kind of music. Like I mentioned before, Desert Igwe, the Ellen Juchi is really talented.
Yeah.
KLK.
Yeah.
So many, you know. And in KLK song Muchedwa, when he sang the Zaraeli, Chine David, that's really touching me, you know.
All right, bro. I think for me it was just, like to introduce you to the Malawian scene, and people to know that you're here in Malawi. If you are out there, someone is watching, and they're like, how do we get in touch with you, or how can they get hold of your stuff? Where do they find that?
Okay. So they need to be patient with Pango, no? But when I'm going to release my current stuff, it's going to be under the name Shoham, Shoham. Currently, if you dig or if you knew Hebrew, you could find my older stuff. But fresh. You're going to know. And you're going to hear it.
We're going to premiere it right now,
Okay.
like on this platform. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, like, so that when he drops some stuff, you hear it, you see it.
Yes.
So, like, what does that name mean? Like, Shoham.
Shoham. Okay. My name is Shoham, is the Onyx stone in Hebrew. Onyx stone, like, how do you say? Mwalakuda. Malawakuda.
Yeah.
Like a black stone that the great priest of Israel used to carry on the neck, like the 12 tribes of Israel.
Yes.
So the black stone represent the offspring of the children of Joseph.
Okay.
Because it's outside of the tribes, there was Joseph the righteous.
Yeah.
And it's funny, also my brother's name is Joseph.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And how many are you in your family?
I have a brother and a sister.
Yeah.
They are much older than me.
And you're the only one who's into this music thing?
I'm only one into this music thing. Yeah, for real.
That's interesting. I don't want to waste much of your time. I'd like Malawians to have a taste of your music. So we're going to take a break and come back, and then you're going to see Shoham do the ham on the beats. You already know.
Yeah,